subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi is reported to launch the successor of the last year launched Xiaomi 13 Pro smartphone as Xiaomi 14 Pro, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hemmerstoffer, in partner with 91 Mobiles. According to leaks and other rumors, the Xiaomi 14 Pro will feature a flat 6.6-inch AMOLED 2.5D display with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate support, and there is hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a quad camera set up in a large squarish module at the top left corner, including some sensors and LED flash. And it is expected to include one 50-megapixel primary camera. Under the hood, the phone is reported to come powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and it will come backed by a large 4,860 mAh battery that will support 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging. Additionally, the phone is also tipped to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is said to measure at 161.6 by 75.3 by 8.7 millimeters. Apart from this, there is no other details of Xiaomi 14 Pro smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi 14 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.